Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Avast Security mobile app. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on Explore down here. So then when you click here on Explore, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go down here and you click here on VPN security connections here. Then it's going to take us to this list, and here can you add fast location here, or you just auto connections on public Wi-Fi, can you turn on it, and you click here on get unlimited VPN. Then it's going to take you to this list here, and here can you, if you want to choose here hourly plan or monthly, and you click on continue, then add your card information, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.